In the pursuit of a healthy life, small changes can make a big difference. Here are 10 daily habits to incorporate into your routine. 1. Drink plenty of water. It keeps you hydrated and flushes out toxins. 2. Get enough sleep. Your body needs time to rejuvenate and repair. 3. Eat balanced meals, include all food groups for maximum nutrition. 4. Exercise regularly. A brisk walk or a quick workout can do wonders. 5. Limit processed food. They're often high in unhealthy fats and sugars. 6. Practice mindfulness. It reduces stress and improves mental health. 7. Limit screen time. Give your eyes a rest. 8. Take breaks. Don't let work consume your day. 9. Maintain good hygiene. It's the first line of defense against illnesses. And 10. Laugh often. It's the best medicine. Remember, health is wealth. So make these habits a part of your daily routine and live a healthier life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us create more content like this. Until next time, stay healthy.